we'll sing this today. You've seen it all. I watched the men who rode you switch from sails to sea, and in your belly you hold the treasures you have ever seen. Most of them dream, most of them dream. Yes, I am a pirate, 200 years too late. Well, the things don't wonder, there's nothing to plunder. I'm an over 40 victim of fate, arriving too late, arriving too late. I've done a bit of smuggling, I've run my share of grass. Made enough money to buy Miami, but I pissed it away so fast. Never meant to last, never meant to last. I've been drunk now for over 2 weeks, true story. I stand around and ask for a few weeks, but I gotta stop wishing, gotta go fishing down the rock bottom again. Just a few friends, just a few friends. Just takes a while. Mother Ocean, in all my years I found my occupational hazard being, my occupation's just not around. Feel like I've drowned on the head of town. I feel like I've drowned. Play some music uptown. Thank you very much.